Good morning, and let's have a look at which are the stocks to focus on today in trade at 9:15 a.m. when the markets open. So starting with, obviously we have a whole host of earnings coming in today, especially in the pharma space. It's going to be something exciting. In the Nifty, we do have Sun Pharma in the pharma space, as well as Eicher Motors in the auto space, which will be coming out with its numbers. Other than that, in the pharma space, we do have a whole host of other earnings, which is like Wockhardt, Stride Pharma's, Cadila Healthcare as well, Metropolis Healthcare. So, on this a pharma lab space where this is going to be in focus as well. Now, other than that, we do have Dixon Tech as well as Redington in focus, Kalyan Jewellers in focus in the consumption space. Phoenix Mills, Thomas Cook as well is going to be reporting their numbers. Other than that, Gujarat Pipavav, Suryodaya Small Finance, and Balrampur Chini Mills and HEG, which are some of the important earnings which will be coming out today. Moving forward, let's talk about other stocks that will be focused on the back of their earnings today. That is going to be BPCL, which posted its numbers last evening. Seems like a good set of numbers in line with what the street was expecting. Especially, they have also given a special dividend. So, important factors from the result is the results does have a 7,000 crore exceptional gain, which is due to a tax write-back which we are seeing. Apart from them, the GRMs have been boosted by the inventory gains from the of almost $4 per barrel, in line with the other OMCs as well. And the management has given a special dividend, which is also very interesting. So overall, a 58 rupees dividend coming in this year, final dividend. And this was what the street was already expecting. Overall, the profits have been ahead of the estimates even after the adjustments that are made of the 7,000 crore, and sales also are ahead of the estimates. So overall, when you look at the numbers, it's a great, good set of numbers coming in from BPCL. Also, CITI has maintained a buy stance on the company after its earnings with a target price of 550 rupees per share. Moving forward, we do have Pfizer also, which is in focus on the back of its earnings, where we're seeing a marginal growth coming in the revenues of Pfizer, where the Pfizer's revenue has come in at around 535 crores versus 502 crores. So yes, there's some improvement coming in overall the revenues of the company, but the profits of the company seem to be slightly under pressure, marginally down by 2.4%. So surely let's keep an eye out on Pfizer India stock price as well. Burger King also in focus in the QSR space, where obviously QSR space has been impacted last year, especially. There was a complete national lockdown. This time around, it's localized lockdowns. Online channels are also still more operational than last year. So revenues have seen a marginal growth, 196 crores versus 191 crores. Also, the losses of the company have narrowed down a bit, and they've come in at 26 crores versus a loss last year of 37 crores. So surely some signs of improvement coming in on a year-on-year basis as well for the company, and Burger King is going to be in focus today. Moving forward, another stock that is going to be in focus today is going to be MINDTREE. Now, MINDTREE had its analyst day meet, and the management over there has retaliated at FY22 expected guidance and expects the industry to be leading a double-digit revenue growth. Overall, the guidance expects from EBITDA margin, expectation for EBITDA margin of 20% for FY22. So surely let's keep an eye out on that, as well as Morgan Stanley on MINDTREE has also maintained an overweight stance with a target price of 2,300 rupees per share. They see a broad-based growth in the midterm, as well as they believe that it's a building the next gen delivery model as well. So let's keep an eye out on all these stocks today at 9:50.